Hey everyone out there in YouTube land, it's Joel Ellison with Pinnacle Gunsmithing, and I just wanted to show off a quick project we did a while back. We have a Remington 700 here in 7mm Remington Magnum. It looks like just a regular, ordinary, run-of-the-mill Walmart hunting rifle, which it kind of is. Unfortunately, when we got it, there was no scope, the bolt was missing, and the stock looked like this. Yeah, snapped right there, right at the wrist. Yeah, I think this one fell out of a tree stand. What do you think? In any case, it's a normal, everyday hunting rifle and a very fascinating cartridge, Remington 7mm Magnum. This is one of the cartridges that really introduced a lot of folks out there to Magnum hunting rounds. Here it is in comparison to the 308 case, or this is a dummy round, but in any case, it's a big difference. It's like, here's the X that your girl told you not to worry about. In any case, this holds 3 rounds of Remington 7mm Magnum in its internal box magazine. And as you can see, there's no floor plate, nothing to go wrong. Nice and simple. The scope here is just a regular 3-9 standard deer hunting rifle scope, mounted in loophole mounts, or loophole style mounts. In any case, it's a very solid setup. This can be taken off and re-put on there, remounted, I mean, just to, in order to, for cleaning purposes, for really anything you want. In any case, 3 rounds here in this internal box magazine. The bolt release is right in front of the trigger guard. And this is one thing we supplied for it, a Remington 700 Magnum bolt. And yes, your regular long action bolts will not fit in these, because if you see this groove here in this right locking lug, that's necessary for Magnum calibers like this, and rifles chambered in that from the factory. In any case, it's a nice classic little rifle. Let's go ahead and check the trigger take-up right here. Almost no take-up. Make sure we're on fire. Boom. Oh, nice and crisp. That's about a 2-pound let-off. And recocks right there. In any case, this has just been a quick, fun project. And if you want to support us more directly, and if you see value in what we do, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Feel free to check out some of the other videos we have on our channel. And if you'd want to support us directly, you can head to our website at pinnaclemountaingunsmithing.com, and where you can set up an appointment to come see us directly. We are a full-service gunsmithing shop, and whatever it is, we can help you out. In any case, this has been Joel Ellison, and I'll see you next time. Bye.